In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ruler tool in TradingView. If you've ever wondered how to precisely measure movements in the market, this tool will become an essential part of your analytical toolkit. Whether you're analyzing cryptocurrency, stocks, or any other chart, using the ruler tool is a straightforward way to measure price and time changes between 2 points. Let's start by opening up TradingView and locating your chart of interest. Now, direct your attention to the left side toolbar. You'll find a ruler icon labeled as the Measure tool. This tool can also be swiftly accessed by pressing Shift and clicking simultaneously. Selecting this icon allows you to initiate a measurement on the chart. Once the ruler tool is activated, your next step is to determine the starting point for your measurement on the chart. Simply click on this starting point to begin. Then, drag your cursor to the endpoint where you'd like to conclude your measurement. This movement will draw a line across the chart, capturing the range you want to measure. As you drag from the starting to the endpoint, a pop-up window will appear. This window contains valuable data. It shows the price difference both in percentage and in absolute value, allowing you to readily see how much the price has changed over the designated period. In addition, the time difference will be detailed in 2 formats: the bar count and the actual time duration. It's an efficient way to quantify both price and time shifts in one glance. Furthermore, the angle of movement will be displayed, providing additional insight into the trend's direction and speed. Now, once you've noted these changes and recorded any necessary details, you can finish using the ruler tool. Exiting this tool is simple. Just click anywhere else on the chart outside of the measurement line, and you'll return to the default state. This action will also clear the measurements if you want to start fresh or if you're done analyzing the given section. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful method to measure market movements in TradingView. By mastering the ruler tool, you enhance your capability to understand market trends and make informed trading decisions. Feel free to experiment with varying sections of a chart using this tool, as it'll deepen your understanding of price actions over time. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Remember to practice and apply these skills to sharpen your trading strategy. Happy